Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is 25th of February, 2021. It's a Thursday. And today we're going to talk about the following. My doctor says if you need some supplements, maybe the first week, maybe 7 days, it's not going to make a big difference. But on day 1,500, there's definitely going to be a change in your body. Okay, persistence. We need commitment. Anything we need to do daily. Daily. Yep, it's one thing. Commitment is everything. It's one thing it's when I was 24 hours sober. It's another thing when I'm 10 years sober. Okay, project of the day. I personally love this painting. Look at my Miss Sunshine. It's called Gracie at the Park. Okay, if you think this is a sweet child, this is too sweet, you haven't met her in person. Okay, my beautiful Gracie. So the video is short. It's spring in Toronto. Temperatures above zero. Unheard of. Okay, spring is here. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is already Friday, and make a beautiful day. Anything you decide to do it with fervor. Yes. Okay. Lucky. Lucky sleeping. Today's production. First, to activate the wand. Okay, look at the new color. New face color. Okay, here. And of course, Gracie. Project of the day. Grace at the Park. This is how to burn a banana with 2 eggs. Okay, burn. Really burn. That's very important.